exactly what are you working on there?
I'm showing the wrong way to do upholstery
Oh, okay.
on this old door panel.
And what would this fabric?
Well, this would be smokey emu.
Smokey emu.
Not just emu, smokey emu. Oh yes. For any of you kids at home, so, wanting to do this yourself, go get you some smokey emu. Go to town. Highly recommend it. Smokey emu is the finest of all the emus.
Sounds like it.
Just trying to do some pre-cuts. It's not going to help. It's gonna bunch up like mad. It's okay. Alright. We'll just deal with the rest of that whenever the time comes, right?
Sounds like a plan.
That's my plan.
That's our usual plan.
Yeah, it is. If it's for the best or not.
Yeah, we never know till we're done doing it.
That's true.
Now, what's going to be the best way to?
I don't know. Technically, we need more sawhorse. No, that'll do. That's fine.
So harsh.
Sawhorse. Smokey emu, because we're classy.
I think a new old blues player.
Yeah.
Same name.
That's probably true. It's important to get as much nature as possible on the back of this. Assuming you want to do this like painting a car, with like 50% overlapping layers, I'm going to say yes. Ooh, that's a smell.
Man, no kidding. Good thing we're out here.
Whew, we don't know if we're out. I'm not sure if we're outside enough. All right.
Yeah.
Ooh, look, spider webs.
More nature.
Huh?
Just more nature.
Well, they're from this. I guess I should read the directions now. Probably. Directions. Shake can, hold 6 to 12 inches, yada yada. Bond surface together using firm, uniform pressure while the adhesive is aggressively tacky. Does that mean it's going to start yelling at me?
Could be.
Aggressively tacky.
Or attacking.
Bonding range is typically 4 to 30 minutes. That's a large range.
Yeah, it is. 4 to 30.
4 to 30 minutes. All right. Well, how do we know when this is aggressively tacky? When it tries to slap me or something?
Yeah, it starts to try to attach itself to you.
Aggressively tacky. Sure, I like their verbiage.
It's kind of scary,
I'm
actually.
actually kind of worried about this now. I feel like I may have made a mistake. Come on, 3M.
A horrible mistake.
All right, that looks like enough of that.
Okay, I guess stick a finger on there, and if it
I want to. It might not let it. Might take it with it.
that doesn't seem aggressively tacky.
Not aggressively tacky.
It doesn't seem tacky at all.
Certainly not aggressively so.
Now that, I guess it's just not as tacky on this. I wonder if you need more on that.
See, I feel like I put a lot on there.
Yeah, but you don't feel it on that.
Maybe that's the point, man. That's part of the magic of Smokey Emu.
It just absorbs the stuff.
That's problematic. Somebody somewhere is screaming, "Oh God!"
He's not.
It's too much. It's gonna be so aggressively tacky. It's gonna punch me in the face and take my house.
Well,
It's not aggressively tacky.
no.
Of course, I don't know what the definition of aggressively tacky is. Honestly.
No. Just have to make it up as we go.
Either that is instantly got coated with pollen. No, it's just whatever.
Okay, now the edges are sprayed.
We're waiting on them to get aggressively tacky. Right now, they're just kind of passive-aggressive tacky.
Is it feeling aggressive yet?
It's passive-aggressively tacky, yeah. I could probably another minute or so fold them over.
Yeah, a couple of minutes. This is
Very confusing. I don't like spray adhesive.
well. That's kind of spotty instructions too. 4 to 30 minute setup time. I mean, here we go. Round 2, custom made. Smokey Emu side door panels.
That's right.
Where's the other can? I can grab that.
It's in the garage, hanging up with all this stuff. It's an older can. Different stuff, but it should be fun.
Okay.
Ta-da! Smokey Emu. Explosion. That is a lot of Smokey Emu in one spot.
And there's some custom panels here, buddy.
I like them. They look good.
They look really good. I love that color with the interior
Yeah, me too.
and the seats.
Yeah.
It works.
They look good once the back panels are done too.
Yeah.
Try to do those maybe tomorrow. Get some more adhesive. Ran out.
Yep. That's
A lot.
good stuff, though. Holy mackerel.
Took a lot more than I thought though. One can
Per panel.
per panel, just about.
basically.
Yeah, basically. Well, these are huge panels though.
Yeah, they
I
are.
mean, that's a massive amount of panel.
This looks so good. Ah, it's coming together. It is coming together. It's looking like a car.
Make sure nothing's rubbing, touching. Well, as long as nothing's touching, we're good to go. It's just like a middle school dance.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's true.